create. He was just doing his thing. Doing his thing. Triple X, like that's one of the things that be making me a little upset. Is like when we get good people that come across this earth. Yeah, we talking about rap now. We talking about rap now. But y'all brought it up. And I'm gonna keep it to the main point though. I'm gonna keep it to the main point. Like these people, Triple X, Tupac, shoot, who else we name? Shoot, NLE Chopper. These people not waiting until they're not waiting to make the moves that they're making. Y'all get what I'm saying? They are just going off of real life. Juice World, we talking Juice World now? All right, yeah, Juice World. He was a maniac when it comes to rap. Juice World, shoot. Y'all ever seen Juice World freestyle for real? I don't think so. Y'all could not have seen Juice World. Juice World. He is probably one of my top 3, if not top 5. Travis Scott, you're all right. Yeah, Travis Scott is actually one of my. Travis Scott is one of my favorite rappers of all time. All right. So I'm not alone. I like that. All right, y'all got good taste. I got good taste. But yeah, back to the Juice World freestyles that we talking about, right? Look up Juice World freestyler. The things that he comes up with off the top of his mind are just absolutely mind-boggling. Juice WRLD will make you just like. Juice WRLD will make you just like. He thinks so much off the top of his mind that he might actually make you think that you kind of slow a little bit, respectfully. Fiend! Oh yeah, that Travis Scott Fiend joint be going crazy. Yeah. I know that Fiend. Mm-hmm. Fiend. Yeah. That Travis Scott Fiend joint be going crazy. All right. Y'all ain't mentioned them yet. All right. If you don't know, I rock with Playboy Cardi too. Playboy Cardi is one of my guys when it comes to rap. Like, in his own bag. He almost created a whole new genre of rap. He created almost a whole new genre of rap. It's like gothic, but it's like not. It's like when you going through some of your darkest times, Playboy Cardi will meet you right there. Biggie's cool. Biggie's like that. He's definitely a legend, no question. And I gotta hop off, y'all, in like 1 minute because I'm about to do this what do you call it? Mock interview with someone that I want to help get this job. So hopefully, yeah, your heart beating super fast about what? Why? Because you feel this energy through the screen? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Because we on that energy. The energy gotta be right. When the energy's right, then just do something. And do something to your chest. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel. Yeah, little Garrett. That's what's up. That's what I like to hear. All right. So like I said, I gotta hop off line. I might hop on a little bit later, but yeah, Pop Smoke. Too nice with it. All right, y'all. But hey, peace. Thank y'all so much for tuning in.